Monday evening, Port Moody. I arrived on Thursday in Canada. So what did I do the last days? Here am I. And I'll change around so you have a bit of the water in the background, and I have to look in the camera, my son and daughter told me. I landed on Thursday morning, had breakfast with my daughter in the center of Vancouver. Then I took the SkyTrain to Port Moody. And actually the place where I am now is my house for the whole month. I worked a lot for KDG. I read theses of students, made also a planning for next year. My daughter came to visit me during the weekend. She brought me a bike from a friend of hers, Bobby, which I'm really very happy with, because today after having worked for KDG from 8 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon, I cycled to the other side of one of the hills and really truly enjoy the scenery here. I will share a bit of the footage. Didn't film a lot because I've been working mostly in this house, which is actually owned by a Chinese family. And today the nanny made dumplings for me, so I'm very happy to stay in this house. And the rest, enjoy the footage. I'm here at Vicky's house. On my way to Port Moody, my next location for 4 weeks. The kitchen, the balcony, the view, living room, and a special study room for me. Yeah, met zon, with sunshine. And we're walking, and actually Vicky brought me a bike from a friend of hers, so I will be able to bike to the supermarket instead of walking 2 miles. Bye. Cooking with the daughter. And we're lucky because finally sunshine in Canada. And the table needs to be made. I'll do that right away. And I am testing my new bike. So let's see, and we're gonna drive on the pier, which is a beautiful view. Ooh, it's a bit shaky here. Okay, maybe not such a good idea to drive on it. And actually in the background, that's where I live. Isn't that nice? So the Chinese nanny is making for me. Okay. And it's really nice because that's what we're eating. Hello. Look. Ooh, nice.